Dear students, this video will help you to do the activities. The first unit, the story, the mirror. Listen, the activity 5. Look at the following expressions from the story. Oh, my father. He had never seen his own face before. The underlined words show ownership or relationship. The underlined words are my and then his. Now study the picture given below. Please listen this picture. Look at the girl at the sweets counter. Her name is Vismaya. അവളുടെ പേര് വിസ്മയാകുന്നു. Do you know who is at the toys counter? His name is Varun. His name is Varun. Her name is Vismaya. ഹെറിനാണ് അവിടെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ്. അതേപോലെ ഹിസ് നെയിം ഈസ് വരുൺ. ഹിസ്സിനാണ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ്. ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ്, ഹൂ ആർ ദ വൺസ് അറ്റ് ദ ബുക്സ് കൗണ്ടർ. ബുക്സ് കൗണ്ടറിൽ ആരാണുള്ളത്? ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ആളുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ദെയർ നെയിംസ് ആർ ഫാസിൽ ആൻഡ് അമല. ദെയർ, ദ വേർഡ് ഈസ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് വേർഡ് ഈസ് ദെയർ, അവരുടെ. My sweets counter has the highest sales, says Vismaya. Vismaya says, my sweets counter, ende sweets, ende, my means ende. The importance is my. Our books counter is visited by many students, say Fasil and Amala. The important word is our. Who is the real owner of the shop? All the children of the school are its owner. Its, the important word is its. Its means adinde. Its owner. It is their cooperative store. It is their cooperative store. Their, avarude. You also can start your own shop in your school. Your, നിങ്ങളുടെ, your own shop in your school. ഇവിടെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് വേർഡ് യുവർ. യുവർ മീൻസ് നിങ്ങളുടെ. നൗ ഫിൽ ഇൻ ദ ബ്ലാങ്ക്സ് വിത്ത് സ്യൂട്ടബിൾ വേർഡ്സ് ഫ്രം ദ ബോക്സ്. ബോക്സിൽ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന വേർഡ്സ് സ്യൂട്ടബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സ്ഥലത്ത് ഫിൽ ചെയ്ത് എഴുതാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. മനു സെഡ്, മോം, ഐ ആം ഗോയിങ് ടു വാഷ് മൈ hands. Mother said, you are a good boy. She kissed Manu on dash cheek. His cheek. Manu, do you think all your friends wash their hands before eating? Mother asked, yes, they all wash. Yes, they all wash their hands before they eat. Do your teachers ask you to develop good habits like this? Mother asked, yes, our science teacher always tell us about the importance of developing good habits. She tells us the story of her son and daughter, said Manu. That is interesting. I must congratulate. I must congratulate her, mother said. Everybody likes her, Manu said. Then, activity 6, read the opening sentences in the story The Mirror. Long, long ago, a fisherman and his wife lived on an island. It was a lonely island. The people of the island led a quiet and simple life. In the above lines, a is used with certain words while an with another word. The is also used with a word. ഇവിടെ എ ചില വേർഡ്സിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. അതേപോലെ ഏൻ ചില വേർഡ്സിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. ദ ചില വേർഡ്സിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നതും ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. Where do you think a, an and the are used? Let's read a passage written by Rohan, one of your friends. Today we finished a very interesting story in our English class. It is about a fisherman and his wife who got a mirror. They did not understand what it was. They fought over it and it broke into pieces. Our teacher asked us to present the story as a skit. The setting of the story was an island. To make the island, our group piled up benches and desks. But our teacher said that it was an overseas platform to show that the events happened on a seashore. We placed an umbrella. Arun said that it was an event that happened long ago and the big umbrella we used did not match. We also needed 2 actors. Rahul agreed to play the fisherman, but we could not find a girl to play the part of the fisherman's wife. So finally, I played the fisherman's wife. We needed a mirror. Our English teacher gave us one. Everyone said that our group's performance was good. Unfortunately, the mirror fell from our hands and broke. Poor teacher, she has to buy a new one now. Pick out from the above passage words that comes after a, an and the and complete the table. Example, a fisherman, an island, the story. What are the other words? Words with a fisherman, a very interesting story, a mirror, a skit, a seashore, a girl, a new one. Words with an island, an overseas platform, an umbrella, an event. Words with the story, the setting, the island, the events, the big umbrella, the fisherman, the part, the fisherman's wife, the mirror. Now complete the following story with a, an, or the. One afternoon, Dash ox. One afternoon, an ox was grazing in a field. A small frog in the field saw the ox. The frog thought, I want to become big like the ox. The frog started puffing and swelling. Am I as large as the ox? He asked his friends. No, no, they replied. So the frog puffed himself up more and more, trying to reach the size of size of the ox. Now, asked the frog, please don't try anymore. You are only a frog. You can't become an ox, pleaded his friends. But the frog continued to puff and swell, larger and larger, until he finally burst. Look at the picture and complete the description that follows. This is the picture of a procession. A procession is in progress. Dash man is sitting. A man is sitting on an elephant. Full stop. The man is holding an umbrella in his hands. Full stop. The umbrella is well decorated. Many men and children are following the elephant. A child is holding an aeroplane shaped balloon in his hands. Then, activity 7. Let's play a game. It is a game. Form two groups. Each group can select one set of instructions from the table given below. Group A has to give the instructions aloud and Group B has to act accordingly. If the action is correct, Group B will get 5 points. If the action is wrong, Group A can do it correctly. Group A and Group B can give instructions alternately. Instructions Group A. Keep the bat under the table. Throw the ball up in the air. Put the ball in the box. Hang the picture on the wall. Move your hands up and down 4 times. Go and stand beside the blackboard. Instructions Group B. Keep the bag on the desk. Put the chalk in the box. Go and stand between the desk and the bench. Jump over the bench. Place the notebook on the shelf. Take the ball from the box. Now, let's make a list of the words underlined in the instructions. Try to find out similar words from the story, The Mirror, and add them to the list. എ ഗ്രൂപ്പിലും ബി ഗ്രൂപ്പിലും തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ഷൻസിൽ ചില വേർഡ്സിന് അണ്ടർലൈൻ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് കാണാം. അണ്ടർലൈൻ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന വേർഡ്സ് ലിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ദ മിറർ എന്ന സ്റ്റോറിയിലെ ഇത്തരം വേർഡ്സ് കണ്ടെത്തി അതും ലിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. Please listen that words from the instructions. Under, up, in, on, down, beside, between, on, in, over, on, from. Listen the words from the story. Of, about, into, along, at, towards, for, behind, to, from, with. Then Let's complete the following instructions to prepare vegetable salad, choosing prepositions from the following. Let's see how to make a vegetable salad. Take onions, tomatoes, chilies and cucumber. Dash the vegetable basket from the vegetable basket. After washing them, keep them on a plate. Cut the vegetables into small pieces. Add salt and pepper to the salad. Garnish it with coriander leaves. Serve the salad in a bowl. Then the next activity is editing. Read the passage given below. There are a few errors in it. They are underlined. Underline ചെയ്ത വേർഡ്സ് കറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് എഴുതണം. Anwar went to meet his uncle yesterday. His uncle is an engineer. His apartment is near the post office at the city square. His uncle and his aunt are very friendly to Anwar. He loves to be with his uncle's family. The last work is project work, word bucket. Read the following tongue twister as fast as you can. She sells seashells on the seashore. Seashore, seaplane, seahorse, seagull are the related words of sea. Words related to desert. Desert sand, desert storm, desert plant, desert bird. The words related to sky. Skyline, skycap, skylark, skyscraper. The words related to river. River water, river fish, river sand, river boat. The words related to rain. Rainbow, raindrops, raincoat, rainforest. Words related to mountain. Mountain top, mountain man, mountain lion, mountain range.